Hello everyone, welcome back my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about Article 27 of the Indian Constitution. Can the government use your tax money to promote a religion? The Constitution gives a clear and powerful answer in Article 27. Today, I will tell you why Article 27 is important and what is the feature behind the Article 27. You know, India is a country where people follow many religions: Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Sikhism, Buddhism, Jainism, and others. So, it is important that India has diversity. The constitution makers were very careful that the state should not favor any one religion. That is why Article 27 was included in the constitution. Article 27 protects citizens from being forced to financially support any religion through taxes. Understand, you will know in this lecture what is taxes and what is fees. Why government can impose fees to anybody, means to say any religion, while taxes are prohibited according to Article 27. What Article 27 actually says? Article 27 states that no person shall be compelled to pay any tax. The proceeds of which are specifically used for the promotion or maintenance of any particular religion or religious denomination. In very simple word, government cannot collect a taxes. Understand, government cannot collect a tax and then use that tax money only to support one religion. This rule apply to everyone, is irrespective of their religion. So, why Article 27 was needed? What is the purpose behind that? Imagine a situation where a Hindu citizen is forced to pay a tax, and that tax is used only for building or maintaining churches. Understand? Or other example, a Muslim citizen pays a tax and that money is used only for temples. This would create religious dissatisfaction, a feeling of injustice, breakdown of secularism, very important character of Indian constitution and our preamble. You can see preamble gives us strength that Indian character is secular. Article 27 prevents this situation and maintains religious neutrality of the state. The most important word in the article, that is tax. For UPSC prelims, this is the most important concept. Article 27 applies only to taxes. It does not apply to fees, donation, donations, or voluntary payment. Understand? Article 27 applies only to taxes but does not apply to fees, donations, or voluntary payment. So, first of all, difference between taxes and fee. Very important for prelims. Tax. Tax means compulsory payment. Tax include compulsory payment paid by everyone. No direct service in return. You can't get any direct service. If you give taxes, these taxes is not provided any services to you. Government can use for other state and for any other purposes. So no direct service in return, used for general public purposes. Example, income tax, GST, property tax. Article 27 applies to taxes. Now, we should understand what is fee. Fee for paid for a specific purposes, paid only by those who use the service. Understand? Taxes paid by everyone, but the services could not get to every citizens, while fee paid for a specific service, paid only by those who use the service. Direct benefit is received. Understand? Once again, you should listen very careful that fee paid for a specific service, paid only by those who use the service. Direct benefit is received. Examples, temple entry tax, temple entry fee, mosque maintenance charge, church parking fee. So Article 27 does not apply to fees but applies only to taxes. You cannot impose tax on religious denomination or any religious sect. Understand? Simple real life example very likely asked in prelims, such as temple entry tax, temple entry fee. You pay only if you enter the temple. Money is used for maintenance of the temple. It is not compulsory for all citizens. This is a fee, not a tax. Understand? Article 27 is not violated. You should understand this. Let's give me some time. It's very important what is the difference between fee and tax. You already saw that tax is used for everyone, but fee for those who used these services. Understand? Temple entry fee, I said to you, you pay only if you enter the temple. Money used for maintenance purposes. It is not compulsory for all citizens. This is a fee, not a tax. Article 27 is not violate. What Article 27 clearly prohibit? क्या prohibit करता है Article 27? Article 27 forbids the government from collecting taxes. Government cannot collect taxes and using it only for one religion. Collecting tax and only for one religion. This is unconstitutional. You cannot use public money to promote one religion. Understand? Example, a religious development tax collected for all citizens, from all citizens. Money used only for temple or only for mosque. This is violation of Article 27. So what Article 27 allows, it's very important for your clarity. Purpose is secular, benefit multiple religion, related to public order and administration. Listen, secular purpose, multiple religion, promotion benefits, public order and administration. ठीक है? You should understand this. Government spending on religion when it is allowed. Renovation of ancient monument of religious importance, you can use it. So overall, we can see that if you see Article 25 to 28, Article 25 says that freedom of conscience and religion. Article 25 for individual, while Article 26 I discussed in Hindi on my YouTube channel. You can see if you like to listen Hindi language. Article 26, religious denomination right, particular community. It's an individual right and it's a community rights. While Article 27, taxation and religion. how tax impose, and in future I will discuss about article 28, religious instruction in institution, how state give fund to state, how state give fund to particular trust, and religious instruction is allowed or not allowed. Understand? Now you can see article 27, freedom from taxation for promotion of religion, apply to tax only, does not apply to fee. Final memory line, you may follow any religion but constitution ensure your taxes follow none. Understand? So please like our channel, please subscribe, share, and please follow other subjects such as history and polity. Thank you. Thank you very much.